Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Today, inshallah, we will solve problem 25 from chapter 2. And the question says obtain the solution xt of the differential equation x double dot plus x equals sine 3t. Okay. And with an initial condition of x at 0 equals 0 and x dot at 0 will also equal 0. First, we'll start up with converting from time domain to S domain using Laplace transformation. So for x double dot, it will be s square xs minus sx at 0 minus x dot at 0. For x, it will be just simply xs. And for sine 3t, we need to use the table, which is, as you can see, sine at will be a over s square plus a square. Okay, which is simply 3 over s square plus 9. Okay, now before plugging back these values to our original equation, we will simplify just our terms. Okay, and we will lift up with s square xs plus xs equal 3 over s square plus 9. Okay, now we take xs as a common factor and we will lift up with s plus 1 equal 3 over s square plus 9, multiply or dividing both sides by s square plus 1. So we will have here xs equal 3 over s square plus 9, and here s square plus 1. Okay, now we will use the undeterminant method to find to simplify this term into a s plus b over s square plus, you either pick s square plus 1 or s square plus 9, it will be the same. Okay, and here it will be cs plus d over s square plus 1. Okay, as you know, the undetermined method, it will give us, or it will be like this. Okay, this is the constant, by the way, is to power 0, a constant. Okay, like this. So before that, we will have here, multiply by these both sides to, okay, so we'll have here, okay, so here we'll have 3, and here we'll have a s plus b multiplied by s square plus 1. I don't know why I'm like forcing myself to use this space only. Just take this to here. Okay, and this one I will use it just here. Okay, so we lift up with this one for this side and plus cs or cs plus d multiplied by s plus 9. Okay, because I just multiply both sides by this term. Okay, now for s square, or sorry, it's not, it will be the our it will not be s square only, it will have also s to the power 3, right? Yes. Okay, so for the right hand side, what are the coefficient of s to the power 3? We'll have a, because this part multiplied by this one, and we will have c as well. So we will have a plus c for the left term, and for the left hand side we don't have any s cube, so we will just put it here equal to 0. For s square, we have uh, we have b and we have d. So we have b plus d equal 0. Okay, because we don't have any 0, because we don't have also any square in the left hand side. And for the s, we have a, and we have 9c. Okay, so we have a plus 9c will equal to 0 as well. Okay, for the constant, we will have b. Okay, and we will have here 9d. Okay, so here it is b plus 9d will equal to 3, because we have now on the left hand side constant. Okay, now solving these equations, so either you can solve it by any matrix calculator, or you can just take these or simplify your four equations by taking these to here. So we have a equal 9c, so c here equal to 0, so c equal to 0, and a as well will be equal to 0, because if c equal to 0, a also will equal to 0. Now for uh, for this, b equal to uh, to minus d, so here we'll have 8d equal 3, and d will equal to 3 over 8, and b will equal to minus 3 over 8, because it's the opposite. Okay, so we get the values for d, b, a, and c, right? Okay, so we'll take them back uh, to these terms. Okay, so we will have minus 3 over 8. So we'll have minus 3 over 8 s square plus 9, right? Yes, and we will have plus 3 over 8 s square plus 1. Okay, this is our x of s, or xs. Okay, don't forget that. Now we need to convert this term using Laplace inverse to time domain, from s domain to time domain. Okay, so as I mentioned before, I need to convert from s domain to time domain, right? Using our Laplace table. So as you can see, you can see a similar terms or a similar form for our two terms here above, right? But we need to do simple modification in order to have this a and a square similar to what we have above, right? So first we'll take them term by term. So we'll take them term by term. First we'll take this one, this term, because it's easy. Just take the 3 over 8 out, and you will lift up with 1 over s plus 1. Okay, so this will be our first term, and the second term is minus 3 over 8 s square plus 9, right? But we need to have here in denominator 3, just 3, not 3 over 8. So what we need to do is multiply by 8 up and down. Okay, which is simply multiply by 1. So this will be uh, minus 1 over 8, and here we will have 3 s square plus 9. Okay, so we'll have our two terms. Just put them back to our original equation after doing the simplification, and here it is minus 1 over 8, 3 over s square plus 9. So our x our x of t will be 3 over 8, and here we'll have sine a, which is this one, sine t, and here we will have 1 over 8 sine our a, which is 3t. Here you have your solution. Thank you for watching and good luck.